Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have an option delay capture. So you can set it on 3, on 5 or in 10 seconds. So let's set it on 3 and try it out. And as you can see, timer works perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.